Good morning, students. I am Ranjit Roshan. Today I am going to teach you about the natural resource and their different aspects. At first, the definition of natural resource. Anything which is free gift of nature or created by nature to fill our daily needs is called natural resource. Soil, sunlight, rocks, plants and animals are some example of natural resource. The second one is division of natural resources. Natural resources are divided into two types, living and non-living resources. Living resources regenerate if the conditions are favorable. Examples of living resources are forest, crops and wild and domestic animals. Non-living resources include land, water and air. These are inexhaustible. They are also called renewable resources. Minerals and fossil fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-living resources. However, they are exhaustible. Such resources cannot be replaced as they take millions of years to form. That is why they are also known as non-renewable resources. Then, uses of natural resources. Natural resources are important for the development and growth of industries. All natural resources are not renewable, so we must use them carefully. Some natural resources can be used directly by human beings. Other resources need to be processed before they can be used. For example, we use air and water directly, whereas minerals that are found in form of ores have to be refined into usable items before they are used. Petroleum is taken out from the earth. In a crude form, it is refined into various forms such as diesel, petrol, kerosene, etc. These products are then used in homes and industries. Conservation of natural resources. Rich countries are using more natural resources than poor countries. Developing countries need to depend more on natural resources for their growth and development. Densely populated countries like India and China need large amount of natural resources. The rising demand of different natural resources has made them scarce in these countries. For example, cutting of trees and killing of animals have endangered many species of plants and animals. Some species of monkeys and birds are already extinct from India. Dolphins in the river Ganga are also facing the danger of extinction. The quality of air, water and land resources is degrading due to their overuse and misuse. Therefore, it is important that we use our natural resources carefully and wisely. For the future depends, it is our responsibility to provide our future generations with an abundance of quality natural resources. Thank you.